Doncaster Carpet Cleaners is the way to go. A great family
It's here, Pet Safe Carpet Stain Remover from Doncaster Carpet Cleaners. Now this is really good stuff. Primarily, as many of my customers will know, I'm constantly rattling on about what sort of spotters are you using on your carpets to get those little stains up. And all I say to people is, do you actually know what's in the product you're using? I don't care what brand it is or whatever, but do you actually know what's in it? Okay? Really important for our cats and dogs and children and anything that's got bare feet. With this, it's perfectly safe for pets and children, obviously. It's an eco spotter. It's 100% biodegradable. There's absolutely no problems with it. There's no enzymes in it, no bleaches in it that's going to destroy your carpet and your cats and dogs and pets. Because we've got to be really careful with supposing you've got a cat, walks along, you've just got rid of that little gravy stain or whatever with the spotter that you've got from the supermarket. Cat doesn't know anything about it. He comes along, puts his foot in it, walks off. Oh, that's itchy, that's burny. And then he's licking his paw. Then, you know, his lips, they're burning. So then he's getting all the lip licking and everything else, and it's going further and further down. Quite often we don't even know about it. We've burned him, don't know what's going on. He doesn't tell us. You know, it's not till later that we find out something. Sometimes you don't even find out. He just has to suffer in silence. But anyway, that will stop all this. And so when I go on about when I come and do your carpets, and I say, you know, I noticed that you were using some carpet cleaners and some carpet spotters. I mean, I know because I've been doing it over 25 years. I know what's in the tank. I know what froths up. I just know that something's been used. I'm just asking just so that I can, you know, give you a bit of information. Because especially if I see a cat or a dog around or a little baby running around on his belly or something like that, then, you know, it's really important that we understand what we're putting into the carpet. You know, on the basic carpet training courses in the world, you know, the basic rule is what you put in, you take out. You know, manufacturers can get away with that simply by saying you've got to extract it. Well, you know, who's got thousands of pounds of carpet extractor sitting in the garage? Well, you haven't. So you need something that's going to be neutralised either on contact or you can get out in some way or another. Our professional carpet spotter, like I say, is it's made for us. It's all eco-friendly. I'll read the label to you. It's environmentally friendly, it leaves no sticky residues. That is really important. You know, when you get a spot, you know, you might have some gravy or something like that, you'll clean it up with your spotter and everything else, you'll go away, and then over the next few days, weeks, it's come back. It hasn't come back. What it is the detergents and bits and pieces that they put in these chemical spotters, they don't go away. They attract the dirt, the dust, the pollens, everything. Every time you open the front door, someone stands on it, and it just gets blacker and blacker. So then what happens? Oh, I'll buy some more of that. Well, they love that, don't they? So, you know, that's one of the things that this doesn't do. It doesn't re-soil. That's the point. Yeah, it's non-harmful, enzyme-free. But anyway, these cost £10, and they last a long time, unless you have a load of accidents. But anyway, ask me on the van about them. I'll probably be talking to you about them if I see a cat or a dog anyway, or a little baby in the house. And I've seen you've been using the spotters and so forth. You know, it's just information. You know, everybody loves their pets. I mean, I do, and it's just something over the years that I really wanted to get to the bottom of. But I've done a lot of research in it, talked to lots of different manufacturers and everything else. And it's only just now that I'm able to actually say at the end of the conversation, actually, if you want something, I've got something on the van. Like I say, it's £10. I'll put something on the site. If you want to buy it online, you can buy it online. Okay? So there you go. Doncaster Carpet Cleaners, professional eco spotter.
Doncaster Carpet Cleaners is the way to go. A great